everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. Today is the last day of my 5 days of fall. I'm really sad about it, but I thought I would go out with a bang and create a very dramatic look with a pop of color. And today is the first day where I'm actually drinking something fall inspired in my video. I don't know what was wrong with me before. I tried the pumpkin cold brew yesterday and it was really good. It's not too sweet, so I got it again for today. But yeah, before we hop on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it. And if you'd like to know how I got this look, then please just keep watching. Okay, starting out this video right with a nice pumpkin cold brew, and then I'm gonna hop straight into the face. I'm using the Covergirl Illuminating primer to prime my skin today. And then for foundation, I'm using a nice full coverage foundation. This is the Maybelline SuperStay in the shade Classic Ivory, and I'm just blending that all over with a damp beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm using the Covergirl Undercover concealer. I'm using the shade Fair. It's way too light for me, but here I am using it anyways, and I'm just blending that out with the same sponge. And then I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer with my Becca Hydra Mist powder. I'm using the Hoola Benefit bronzer for my face today. It's nice and matte, so it goes with the foundation really well. And then to contour, I'm going to use a palette I haven't used in a while. This is the It Cosmetics You Sculpted palette, and I'm just mixing the shade Light and Medium Contour to contour my face. Then for blush, I'm going into my Morphe 8W palette and taking those two warmer brown shades for my blush. The highlighter I'm using is the Mary Luminizer by the Balm. I love this. It's such a pretty sheen highlighter, so I'm applying this. Moving on to the eyes now, I'm going to my Alamar palette and taking that warmer orange shade for my crease, and I'm just working it into kind of a circle and really hugging down towards my lid. And then I'm moving on to the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. I'm just taking the deeper brown and putting that into my crease as well, but I'm focusing it lower than the first shade I put just so I can make a nice gradient effect, and both shades are showing nicely. For the star of the show, I'm taking that blue in the palette and I'm packing this all over my lid. I'm adding a lot of it so it can really show up, but it was really pigmented on its own already, and then I just kind of blended it into my crease but very lightly so you could still see all three shades. And then I took the blue shade for my bottom lash line as well as the first shade I used. Clearly, I cannot get enough of this liquid liner. I have loved it ever since I first tried it a few videos ago. And I'm not creating a wing, but I'm creating a very thick upper lash liner. Finishing off my eyes, I'm going to put on some mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then for lashes, I use my Ardell 814 Faux Mink lashes. Then for the last step is my lips. I am using MAC Strip Down Lip Liner to line my lips. And then I am going in with Ofra Cosmetics Verona liquid lipstick to finish off the look. Okay guys, well that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed all of my tutorials for my 5 days of fall. Be sure to go back and check out the other ones if you haven't already. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!